Hello students, Ms. Slyman here to talk about arithmetic sequences. So in our last class, we talked about sequences in general and how those are just patterns of numbers. And now we're going to start looking at specific types of sequences, and these are the ones that are most assessed in your class. So looking at each of these sequences, take a moment to look at these and try and figure out what sort of thing they all have in common. So maybe you notice that this one, every time we add 2. Maybe you noticed in this time it's always going up by 5. So we're adding 5 every time. This one, maybe you noticed it's always going down by 2. So we're subtracting 2. But that's the same as saying that we're adding -2. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term differs. So this means when we subtract them from the previous one, it's always the same number. So if I think about this, 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So it's always the same number. 3 minus -2 is 5. 8 minus 3, 5, and so on and so forth. So that's how we determine whether something is arithmetic. We subtract the previous term. So always we start with a later term and subtract the previous. I'm going to come back and talk to you about the math notation in the next video.